Next practical for digital electronic subject is to realize the half subtractor and full subtractor using logic gates. So in this practical we will realize and verify the two circuits, half subtractor and full subtractor. So this is the circuit of half subtractor in which the inputs given A and B will be when XORed and we will get the result as difference. So equation of difference D is equal to A XOR B. Whereas the borrow in this circuit will have equation is equal to B borrow equal to A bar B, because we are using NOT gate here, and as you know that NOT gate will invert the input given into the opposite form. So this is the truth table of half subtractor, in which when both the inputs are 0 and 0, difference is 0 and borrow is 0, and when A is 0 and B is 1, difference is 1 but borrow is also 1. So when A is 1, B is 0, difference is 1 and borrow is 0. When both the inputs are 1, difference is 0 and borrow is also 0. So next is the full subtractor. This is the circuit of full subtractor. These are the inputs A, B and C, and they are XORed, and when they are XORed, the equation of difference D becomes A XOR B XOR C. So this is the symbol of XOR. Whereas the equation for B out, that means borrow, is first of all the given inputs will be AND gated here, and after going through or passing through the OR gate, the equation of borrow out becomes A bar dot B plus A bar dot B in plus B dot B in, means dot means AND gate operations will be implemented, and this is the truth table of this full subtractor that we will be verify in the kit that will be given to us. That will be the next part. So students, now we are going to demonstrate it on the kit of half subtractor and full subtractor. Students, this is the kit that we will use to implement the circuit of half subtractor and full subtractor. So first of all, let me just brief you about this kit. So this is the power switch. These are the inputs. For half subtractor we will use 2 inputs, and for full subtractor we will use 3 inputs. These are the LEDs where we will get the results as subtraction or difference and borrow, and we will supply the input from for half subtractor at this point and at this point, and then this will be connected to the LEDs where we will get the result. So the equation for half subtractor is, for difference we will have A XOR B. So this is the symbol of XOR, and for borrow we will use A bar B. That means the AND operation will be used in inverting input of A and then B. So let me just tell you how we will connect the inputs in the given circuit. So first of all, this A input will be connected to this, and for this B we will connect it to this point, and for the inputs we will connect these inputs, these outputs to this point, and for difference I will connect it to this. So let's just switch on the kit for 0 and 0. So this is for sum, and this LED, right side LED, is for carry, or sorry, for difference. So when both the inputs are 0, the output are subtraction is 0, difference is 0 and borrow is 0. When we supply 0 and 1, so at this point the difference is also 1. It will not give us the difference in negative. If it is negative 1, that means 1 will be there. So difference is 1 and borrow is also 1. So then we will supply 1 and 0. So in this case the difference is 1 and borrow is 0, and when both are 1, the difference is 0 and borrow is again 0. To implement the full subtractor, we will shift this connect this P to this point, and this C will be connected like this, and similarly the output of this circuit will be input to this one next circuit, and for this AND gate we will have connection to the next circuit. So at the first case, when all the inputs are 0, the sum is 0 and borrow is also, the difference is 0 and borrow is also 0. So when we have 0, 0 and 1, so at this case, this is the case of 0 and 1, so subtraction is or difference is 1 and borrow is also 1. When we have 0, 1, 0, so again at this point this difference is 1 and borrow is also 1, and when we have 1 and 1, at this point the difference is 0 and borrow is 1. So next case is 1, 0 and 0. At this point we will have difference as will be 1 and borrow is 0. So for 1, 0 and 1, at this point the difference as well as the borrow both are 0. Even at this 1 and 0, at this point also the difference and borrow is again 0. So when all the inputs are 1, so at this point the difference is again 1 and borrow is also 1. So this is how we will implement the half subtractor and full subtractor on a given kit.